In this video, we'll show you how to turn on and use Motion Sense on your Pixel 4. With Motion Sense, your Pixel 4 can recognize movement around your phone so you can control your phone without touching it. To start, turn on Motion Sense. From the home screen, swipe up, scroll down and tap Settings. Tap System, then tap Motion Sense. Turn Motion Sense on. Now you can use quick gestures to control your phone for certain tasks without physically touching it. When a quick gesture is available, or when you make a gesture, you'll see a light blue glow at the top of the screen. When you're listening to music, you can swipe your hand above the screen to skip to the next song, or go back to the song that you've just heard. This works even when you don't have the music app open or when your phone is locked. To silence a call, snooze an alarm, or dismiss a timer, swipe your hand above your screen. When your phone senses a presence nearby, your screen will turn on and show the time, notification icons, and other info. You can turn these features on or off at any time. Just go to the Motion Sense page in the Settings app. Now you know how to use Motion Sense on your Pixel 4. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.